Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Damaging winds forecast for the multiple states, power cuts possible in Australia. Another blast of the strong and potentially damaging winds are forecast for the large parts of southern Australia in the coming days. The windiest day this week are expected to be today and tomorrow as a cold front moves across the southeastern Australia. The low pressure system will then move across the Bight later this week, bringing another burst of the strong winds to the region. Damaging winds should impact parts of the South Australia, Victoria, South Wales and ACT tomorrow and Thursday, while the gusts will hit the Tasmania daily between today and Saturday. They come in the wake of the last week's cold front that brought damaging winds to the multiple states and territories. The conditions this week have a potential to cause power cuts, with the wind turbines turned off in strong winds to prevent damage to turbines. Most wind turbines are halted if the wind speed reaches 90 km per hour, which means that the wind power is not being harnessed. This westerly wind pattern will also bring a warm week to the parts of the southeastern Australia. Meanwhile, rain and thunderstorms will spread over the southwestern Western Australia this week, giving Perth a chance of registering its first wetter than average month in more than a year. The front and the associated trough will cause a wintry mix of blustery wind, rain and thunderstorms. July is the third consecutive month of the healthy rainfall in the Perth, which is bringing much needed relief after the exceptionally long dry spell in WA's southwest. Since then, close to 300 millimeters has fallen in less than 3 months and more is on the way this week. Christmas in July has finally arrived for the ski resorts this weekend as the first widespread snowfall of the season blankets parts of the Australia's southeast, bringing more than 50 centimeters falls in the popular tourist destinations. It was a slow start in the June, but it's such a relief to have these big snowfalls and proper cold fronts coming through, setting us up for the rest of the season. Mount Hotham received 31 centimeters of the snowfall in 24 hours on Saturday morning, with the resort at full capacity and close to day visitors. Further north, Thredbo had blanketed in 27 centimeters of the snow overnight, taking its 7-day snowfall count to 43 centimeters. The entire mountain and village have been covered in the thick blanket of the fresh white snow, creating a magical wintry scene, the spokesperson said. The snowstorm rolled in yesterday evening, bringing heavy snowfall, blizzard conditions and strong winds. Experts forecast that this low pressure system could bring another 50 centimeters over the next 10 days. Nearby Perisher was hit with the 25 centimeters of the snow overnight, with a further 80 centimeter forecast on Saturday, with the freezing temperatures recorded as low as 800 meters, according to the weather zone. A spokesperson from the Vale Resort said the quickly moving cold front was expected to bring the most significant snowfall of the year. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.